I'm Maria Brown, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about scrap gardening. That is regrowing your vegetables from your vegetable scraps. Why throw them away? This is a lot of fun to get your kids involved. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Let me show you just how easy this is. Here I've got my romaine lettuce. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the greens on the bottom. Cut it, put a little water in your glass or your jar, whatever kind of container you have, and plop it right in. And just watch that grow. This lettuce has only been in water for 2 days. And look, it's already starting to sprout. It will regrow right out of the middle. And when it grows a little bit taller, I'm going to plant it in soil. And before I know it, I'll be able to use it again. This was the romaine lettuce that started to grow the soonest. That's about 3 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and start planting this. I just came outside and planted the romaine. Cover everything up except for the new growth. Okay, here's my little garden. And if you come over here, you can see my romaine. We've been picking the leaves and I put some other little ones in all over here. I had to put some bird wire on it because animals love to pick on my garden. I've got a whole bunch of things growing in here. Scrap gardening. It's so much fun. Give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.